Hello everyone, good day to all. So this paper is class 6 English and for final exam means early examination. So first of all read the instructions given below properly and then after read the question paper. So directly we are going to the question. First is comprehension reading based. So read the passage carefully. So Balsa lived in Gujarat. He was a great miser. He hated to spend anything on anybody, even on himself. One day he saw some ripe dates on the tall palm tree. He liked dates very much and wanted to have some, but how could he get them? He did not like to ask anyone to climb up and get them for he feared he might to pay him something. So Balsa decided to climb the tree himself. He had never climbed up a date palm before, but he managed to reach the top. He was about to pick some dates when he happened to look down. The height from the ground frightened him so much that he started to tremble. Based on your rating, choose the correct option of the each questions. So, what is the question? Name the state Balsa belonged to. What will be the answer? So, Punjab, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Jammu and Kashmir. So, answer will be Gujarat. What type of man was Balsa? So, Balsa was a man like miser. So, B is the correct answer. What did Balsa want to have? So, as we read the passage, so ripe dates. D is the correct answer. Why did he not like to ask anyone to climb up? He feared he might have to pay. So, C is the correct answer. What was Balsa's final decision? To climb up the tree. So, D is the correct answer. What frightened Balsa? So, height from the ground. So, B is the correct answer. Why did Balsa started trembling? Because he was a coward man. B is the correct answer. What is the opposite of always? So, never. Move to the next question. Next question is read the chart carefully to answer the following that follow. Use the data from the pictograph to answer the question. So, first of all, look at the pictograph and questions. All the questions are related to this picture. So, move to the question. How many children choose cricket? So, look at the cricket picture and how many. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bats are there. So, there are 5 person choose the cricket. Which is the most popular activity? So, most popular activity is touch football. Give the antonym of reward. So, what is the antonym? Means opposite of reward is punishment. Which game would you choose and why? So, you can answer by your own. Cricket, football, what you like most. Why do we need to play outdoor games? So, as we know that outdoor games improve physical fitness, develop social skills, and help us relax. They also encourage teamwork and build a competitive spirit. So, that's why we need to play outdoor games for our fitness, mentally, physically, holistic development. This is the Importance of outdoor game. So, section B, writing. Recently, you celebrated Foundation Day in your school. Many activities were conducted during school hours, but highlighting of the day was community lunch. Express your views in a paragraph on it in not more than 70-80 words. You have to write in 70-80 words. So, what is will be the paragraph? You can write by using these hints. Celebration announced by principal, role of the class teachers and monitors, allocation of state and instructions, your feelings regarding such celebrations. So you can write by using these points. And you recently came across several news reports regarding the acute water shortage that the country is likely to face during summers. You feel more concerned about this situation. Write a paragraph on saving water using the hints given below. So these are the hints you can write by your in your own words. Water is a gift to humanity. Human, plants, animals need water. Water saving is a universal responsibility. We must adopt various means to save water and avoid its wastage. Save water from being polluted. Avoid leakage of taps and pipes at home. Save water, save life. So this is the slogan: save water, save life. And you can write this paragraph. So move to the next question. Question number 4. You are Rohit Riya, studying class 6. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to grant you 3 days leave. Give reason also. So you can write, there are so many reasons. I'm going to attend family function as I'm not feeling well. Many other reason you can mention that, and you can write application. Or with the help of given outlines, write a story giving suitable titles. So this is the story, and you have to write by your own, because this is the story of a clever fox and the foolish crow, which we know about. And you can write it very easily. So you have found a purse containing some money and papers in your school premises. It has no names. Draft a notice as you are Jay. Jay, write notice in box in 50 words. So you have to write this notice in 50 words, and on the school board notice. So you can look at notice, how to write notice, and you can use format and write notice. Otherwise I will send all the paragraphs and notice and stories in the, so you can go through that. And move to the next section, that is grammar. Supply the correct form of the adjective given below. So you have to write adjective in the given sentence. So June is dash than April or May. So what will be the answer? So because here you can see then, so comparison is there. So better, hotter. June is hotter than April or May. Hotter is the correct answer. So move to the next question. He is the friend I have. So what will be the answer? He is the best friend I have. Next question. My dress is. So this is simple, beautiful. My dress is beautiful. There is no any comparison or any use of superlative degree. Rearrange the given words and phrase to form meaningful sentence. So you have to form a meaningful sentence with these jumbled words or phrases. So what will be the answer? So B is the subject. So B, should not waste our time. We should not waste our time. So next, I share, B number, I share everything with my mother. C, a nurse is a symbol of service and humanity. A nurse is a symbol of service and humanity. So this is the correct answer of jumble words. So move to the next question. Question number 8. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word out of the options given. My parents. So what will be the answer? You have to write here correct verb form. So my parents is plural. So are is the correct answer. My parents are very kind. Cow is singular, so what will be the answer? Gives. C. Cow gives us milk. थर्ड, आई के साथ एम यूज होना है, आई के साथ एम यूज करते हैं. सो आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. सो हु इज नॉकिंग? एट द डोर. सो एट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. हु इज नॉकिंग एट द डोर? So next section is literature. Read the extract carefully and answer the following questions by choosing correct options. So all these questions are taken from your textbook, and go through the textbook and answer the following questions carefully. Practice by your own, and I will share all the answers with you through the. So stay tuned with the YouTube and stay connected. I will share all the answers. Thank you.